This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, this is Ravinder. I'm working as a SQL DB last 14 years. I'm working as Azure SQL DB last 7 years. Along with this, I'm working on the MongoDB and Postgres. I do work on the AWS cloud as well last 7 years. So I'm going to start Azure SQL DBA training on 3rd Feb 2022. Course duration is 35 days and course timings are 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. And we will have the class Monday to Saturday, weekly 6 days in a week. And this course is especially designed for SQL DBAs who are working as SQL DBA. And this will be immediate add-on for them. And this will be, added as added advantage to their resumes, whoever wanted to switch their job role at the moment. Please contact me on 91600344632 if anyone are interested. If I'm not responding, please WhatsApp me for a better response. Maybe if I'm busy, I may not respond sometimes. Please WhatsApp me so that I definitely get back. So this course, especially, divided into 10 modules. So we're going to talk about in the first module what is cloud and why we need to learn cloud and what are the advantages people are getting by implementing cloud, and the which technology is good out of all the cloud technologies we're going to cover in the first module. Second module, how do you create a Azure free account and what are the things we need to know in the portal after the portal is created. How do we raise the free support cases with the Microsoft? How do we follow up? What are the standards we do have to create the case and follow up, and all that we're going to discuss. And third module, we're going to talk about how do we create the VM. So what are the best standards we need to follow? How do we automate VM creations? How do we make the golden VM so that we all, when we create the VM, the SQL Server automatically build with all the standards that is required for the product and all. And we're going to discuss how do we migrate on-prem disk to cloud to migrate the SQL Server directly with the help of the disk migrations. And in the fourth module, we're going to discuss about networking, because we need to know networking as well, because product is integrated with all the background platform services. It integrated with VM, network, storage, and all. So we're going to get into complete analysis of network rule sets, how we can control the traffic, how we can block the traffic and open. We're going to see that. Right after that, we're going to talk about load balancers, internal load balancer, external load balancer, and geographic traffic load balancers. As a SQL DBA, we need to know the load balancers because always on in the cloud will work through the load balancers. And after that, we going to discuss entire SQL related stuff. So after that, we're going to talk about storage, backup recovery of a VM. How do we take a VM? How do we recover a VM in case of crash? That entirely will be covered up. And then we will enter into the product. After once we cover up all the infrastructure, then we will start the product. When we start the product, we will touch base all the technologies that we have in on-prem. We have the same technologies, but we have the implementation in a different way in the cloud. Entire implementations are completely different. So we're going to run through all the configurations, DR solutions, and security compliances, cost optimizations, migrations. So we're going to discuss all the SQL DBA related profile and services end to end. So I'm into expertised into these services anyway. Whatever the SQL DBA need to know, what are the services, I'm going to discuss end to end. Then we're going to discuss how do we integrate the Active Directory accounts with the Cloud SQL Server. So how it is dependent on the Azure Active Directory, we're going to discuss. Then on the Azure PaaS SQL Server, we don't have a SQL agent, so we do have alternatives like Azure Elastic Agent Job, Azure Logic Apps. We have PowerShell, we have Runbooks, we have on-prem SQL agents. So how do we automate tasks like whatever we do in on-prem as an alternative? So these are all going to be covered in end to end. Every class is like a workshop. It's not like what is what. You're going to definitely get a great insight after the course. Please, if anyone are interested, please contact me on this number. I'll give the course content and give the more details. Thank you.